How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Dyson Corral. So there's three ways in order for us to do this. And the first one is going to be performing a power cycle. So it's going to be extremely simple. You want to turn off the device itself, remove the flight ready tag if applicable, wait for around 60 seconds to drain the circuit board of all electricity, and then we want to reinstall the tag securely and turn the straightener back on, and from there it should go ahead and reset the device itself. Right after, you also want to check the flight ready tag. If the airplane icon fails to appear on the OLED screen when the tag is removed, or if it's throwing an overheating error, you want to reset the tag and try again. And the last thing in order for us to do this is to hard reset it by the charge reset. So we want to connect the straightener to the magnetic 360 charger cable, or you want to place it on the charging dock. Leave it connected for at least 40 minutes to ensure that it has enough power, and then we could turn it while it is connected to the charger right here. And so that's going to be the ways in order for us to reset our Dyson Corral. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.